Today we're going to talk about the mean, median, mode, and range. We're going to start out by watching a short video and then do some practice examples, and then you're going to try some on your own.
No, it's a spelling test I took. No, you can't see it. It's my test. Tests are private. Dear Tim and Moby, I'm always getting mean, median, mode, and range mixed up. Can you tell me the difference? From Lola. Sure thing. Take this spelling test that my class just took. Our teacher posted the scores on the blackboard, without any names, of course. We use the terms mean, median, mode, and range when we're talking about a list of numbers like this one. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest scores. Subtract the lowest score from the highest score to get the range. So the range of this list of scores is 34. The mean is the average score. You find the mean by adding up all the scores and then dividing that by the number of people who took the test. Right, we can estimate that. It's probably somewhere around 80, 85. Let's add the numbers up and divide our sum by the number of scores, 12. Oh, pretty close. Our mean is 86.25. That's our class's average score, the mean. Let's look at the median. That's the number in the middle when the numbers are sorted in order. Now we have an even number of scores, so there really is no middle number. In cases like this, we find the mean of the two middle numbers. Again, to find the mean, you add the scores together and divide by the number of scores. There! Our median is 88. The mode is the score that occurs most often. I see 90 twice. And that's our mode. So, it's useful to know the mean, median, mode, and range when you're comparing sets of scores like this. I'm not telling you what I got on the spelling test. Don't you understand English? This test is mine. M-I-N-E. Mine.
Okay, so you can see in this picture the high temperature in Latham for 5 days in August, and you're going to work on finding the mean, median, mode, and range of temperatures. Remember, mean is the average of a group of numbers, the median is the number in the middle, the mode is the number that occurs most often in a set of data, and the range is the difference between the greatest and least numbers in a set of data. Okay, so again you can see our high temperature here in Latham for 5 days, and we're going to start out by finding the mean. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. So step one is to find the sum of the numbers. So we're going to add up 73, 81, 79, 77, and 77 to get a sum of 387. Now, because there were 5 pieces of data, 5 add-ins, we're going to divide by 5. So 5 goes into 38 7 times. 38 minus 35 is 3. And bring down the 7. 5 goes into 37 7 times. 37 minus 35 is going to give us 2. Now, at this point, we're going to have to add a decimal and a 0. Bring the 0 down, and 5 goes into 20. Don't forget to bring your decimal up here 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20, so we have a terminating decimal. Our answer is 77 and 4/10. So the average temperature in Albany for the 5 days was 77.4 degrees. Next, we're going to talk about finding the median. The median is the number in the middle, but you have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest before you can do that. And when you're writing the numbers down, a really good strategy is to put a line through them as you use them. So 73 is our smallest number. And we have 77. We have another 77. We have 79. And we have 81. Okay, a common mistake is people don't use each set of data. You can avoid that mistake by crossing out. You can see the number in the middle is 77. So the median temperature in Albany for those 5 days was 77 degrees. Okay, the mode is the number that occurs the most. So you can look at your data, and 77 occurs twice. All the other temperatures only occur once. So the mode is 77. And finally, the range is the difference between the greatest and the least numbers in a set of data. The highest temperature for these 5 days was 81 degrees. The lowest was 73. 81 minus 73 is 8, so the range of the data is 8. Okay, now you can see the temperature for 5 days in Anchorage, Alaska. You are going to find the mean, median, mode, and range of the set of data. Please show all work on a separate sheet of paper, and you're going to turn it in class. If you have any questions, you can watch the video or look at the examples again. Good luck.